Guys, we're doing fireworks. It's gonna be a short video for YouTube. But
Oh shit! Wow.
oh! I don't even think they saw that on camera.
You hear the dogs? That gonna be in the nice video later.
I don't even think. Bro, there's smoke everywhere, my dude.
Oh, little scary cat.
Down there to our street, guys.
Woo!
I'm there, time, guys.
Oh, you're fucked. Yeah, you gotta try to do this together, bro.
Try.
Go ahead, try.
I'm trying to see a little. I don't care.
I'm staying by you, right?
Alright.
And I'm also putting this on YouTube.
Yeah, that's gonna help. Oh my god!
Oh shit! I already like one. Fuck.
Mom, your car!
Oh, that was a little bit.
Damn it.
Oh, you only lighted one?
Yeah.
So you can light it at the same time.
No, I got this one.
What the? That stuff went all the way over there, bro. It's freaking dark, so they could barely see when you light it.
Close and then move your hand off. Yeah. Light on fire. Take one for the team, man.
Eric, you better run.
You guys are playing.
Eric, you better run.
At least you're not getting your cunt out. Your cunt cut out?
Hold these no?
Your tongue cut out?
Give me one, give me one.
Really?
Huh?
You know what Jesus Christ. Maybe I meant clinical.
Oh shit! Fuck.
Nigga, whoa. What's up?
That one
Still there.
didn't life.
You're done, you're done?
Can you imagine lighting all of them at once, though?
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, shit.
Oh my. Wait, are those the whistle ones
I don't know.
that go pop?
Yeah.
Mom, you're gonna have
Paper's
to.
on fire.
Mom, what do we do?
No,
Oh shit! Damn it!
Dang!
That went the other way.
Are we gonna do some?
Are you about that one? Yeah.
After all we do these, we better run. We better
What are we
run.
gonna
Bro!
Hey, that
Why
was
would
it.
we run, bro?
I would've went like this. Bah, bah.
They don't go to church. You don't run, you just get in the car and the car and then we
You
drive.
literally tying those all these all together. Oh no, I'm getting back. Mom! Mom, cover my ears like you usually.
Oh, there's two. Oh. You didn't like?
Let me see your flashback.
I think a car's coming. Hey, car's coming.
Alright, let's go. Oh shit, it's a car.
Right, there's nothing legal.
We're not illegal.
Wait, so I just do it on the ground?
Yo,
What?
Go light them here. Just tie them up together.
you want these?
That's one. Here, hold the phone.
Hey, do you want these? You need these?
Press the record button.
Record?
This is about to get down.
No one.
Here, give me all these because I'm trying to get this on YouTube.
On YouTube.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. Wait, another car. Damn, there's a whole bunch of cars. Oh, never mind. It's turning. It's turning. It's turning. Oh, bro.
Oh, damn.
What? So, guys, I didn't go.
Carlos went towards you, son.
Somebody's house.
Wait,
Wait, grab the bottle.
No.
wait, what happened? We're not doing. We're not doing the. Wait, we're not doing the rest tonight.
No, somebody's yard that was on fire.
Is that gonna beep until I close my door?
Yeah.
Not yours. Leave it open. Hop out.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh shit, there was somebody behind us. Should all do like this.
All right, that's it, guys. All right, guys, that's it. I'm probably gonna.
Oh, who are you talking about?
Do those ones from the back there?
Yeah,
You guys could do them.
What are we doing?
we're gonna do the rest.
Poppers?
Yeah.
No. Oh. You're gonna do them in front of the house?
Hell no.
And back. Never mind, guys. What? I'm trying.
Are you YouTubing?
Yes.
Are you talking to people right now?
Huh? I'm not on
Are you
live.
live streaming? Are you? He's recording.
Here, Rick. No one is yours.
Wait, what? Oh, I ain't lying to those. You got me.
Oh, what?
Oh, you know he was about to say that.
I didn't
You-
say it.
Recording
No.
still.
You got me
I know.
messed up, homie.
No, he was about to say that.
I was
What,
not.
did you just bite her neck? Are you a vampire, homie?
Oh, what you
Whoa,
just tell mom?
Whoa! Whoa!
Nigga. Nigga, I thought you were about to die.
I'm glad I closed my door when I closed my door.
I thought you were about to die.
I'm all like this. Fuck.
I thought you were about to die.
Bro, we just beat it around the corner.
Mom, go around the block one more time.
I'm like, this was not the plan.
This is not the way.
Brake check on until we get the shit fixed.
Can you imagine if your brake pad would have popped out right there? You know how bad that would have been? Okay.
Wait, are we gonna do the rest in the back?
But I mean, it's like, I'm really concerned.
Okay, you never. What the?
Like, I don't want to die.
I don't know. Alright, guys, that's it for today's video. And no, I know it was a quick, but I'm gonna post another one tomorrow because we're doing more tomorrow. So, peace.